surgeon is reputable. I don't know if he's Jewish.
Theo?
Are you okay? Hello, thank you very much. 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 You can be friends, and I can be for I. Okay, you can be friends, and I can be friends.
Alright, so today we're going to be working with the dogs here. Now, the main thing you always want to practice is, yes, you want to exercise your dogs. You want them to work as hard as possible, but you don't want them to get so overly anxious that they start putting their energy towards each other, right? So you always want to be in control. A lot of times what I'll do, instead of throwing this, I'll throw it and tell them to wait. Now before I allow them to go and get it, they have to understand that they are under control. Focus, ready? Get it. Now, while they play, they will be making noises. They will be growling and pulling and tugging, but as long as it stays right at that energy, I'm okay with it.
Sakri! Pisni!
Today's estimated thing goes out to Sandra Ledoux, who says, I have a 3-year-old dog that I believe was rescued. I'm going to train for my sister. First he needs the basics, and then we want to train him to protect. Can you do a train to protect video that I can, no. If there's any protection, train to protect videos out there on the internet, I would discount them, okay? Unless it's somebody who's training, who has the background to train a protection dog and is gonna really qualify the dogs. What I have a problem with the protection training videos on the internet is any idiot can start training their dog to do these behaviors, but they don't understand how to shut them off. So before we do any protection work with a dog, we make sure the dog has solid obedience, and we make sure the dog has a solid enough temperament to withstand the pressure of being a protection dog. It's an immense amount of pressure on the dog. The dog has to understand it, the dog has to be able to deal with it, and the people training it have to understand the dog. So don't watch videos on the internet